And here I'm going to show you how to repair your corrupted pen drive. Like it's asking format the pen drive before you going to use this, but I don't want to format because I have important data in my pen drive. As you can see here, when I'm going to open my USB drive, it's coming the message you need to format the disk before you can use it. So I don't want to format because I have the important data. So I have one solution for this. So go to website, this website findandmount.com. I have given a link in the video description, so you can download this software. It's little software from there. Okay, just click on download link. Okay, after this you download the partition and the modern. Just click this, and it is very 10 about 2 to 3 MB only. Okay, after you download, just install this in your PC, and it's very fast and it's very easy to use. Okay, just click next, and that's it. Okay, it's finished, and now it's going to launch. Okay, as you can see here, there is two devices. One is my hard drive, that is 160 GB, and 7 GB is my USB drive or pen drive or memory card, whatever. So now I want to take the data from my USB. Okay, so just select the USB drive and right click. Okay, and click on scan and come down. Okay, check on through the scan and click scan. That's it. Okay, as you can see here, it found the two partition in my pen drive, 1 and 2, and I will try both 1 and 2. Okay, okay, scan is complete now. So if you found two partitions, so it's better to check the both partitions to get your all data backup. Okay, so now I'm going with the second partition. Just right click and click on mount as, and here take anyone like A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever. Take this. Okay, and click OK, and just wait for it. Come on, man. Okay, yeah. Look at this. I got all my data in my USB drive, like video files and text file and music file. These are important data for me. So I got all these things. So you need to copy this and save or paste in your hard drive. So copy and paste to your hard drive is all material. Okay. So I'm going to copy all this thing and paste. I will paste in my hard drive. Okay, so after you copy all this thing and paste, just right click on the partition and click on unmount. Okay, so remember, after you paste all things and take the all data backup, just then only click the unmount and click on yes. Okay, that's it. Now close all this thing. So now come to your USB drive, and again it will show the format. So now format, because I have taken all the data backup. So click on format and just format it. That's it. And now you can see my USB is working fine now. So this is the method to take a repair and take your all important data backup from the corrupted your pen drive. So it's working fine. So thanks for watching, and I hope it will help you. Please don't forget to like, comment.